How to turn on or turn off or change calendar alerts sound on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Sounds and Haptics. After that, we scroll down, then tap on Calendar Alerts. In here, to turn off the sound, simply select None, and this will turn off calendar alerts. And here you can select a different sound. Okay, so you can select a sound. And if you want to change the sound, again in the list here, just select a different sound that you would like to use. And after that, you can tap on the back key, swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.